Hi, I'm Vincent AYALA, Lead Sales Support Engineer with Barco Inc. We're here today in the Northern California Barco office with Chuck Laszyca, Director of Engineering of Nationwide Video.
Hey, Vince.
Hey, Chuck. And we're here to talk to you about the EX and some of the product features and just a quick, rundown of what it can do.
We have EX in our inventory. It's renting, but I would imagine most of our customers are using it for its I/O capabilities. I understand it can do a lot more.
Yeah.
What can this box do?
It can do a whole lot more than I/O, let me tell you. But let's start with I/O first, okay? So we'll do input-output expansion, excuse me. So you can, slide in input-output cards, link it back to your main system with our CXP cables. Now there are some rules. If you want to hear those rules, you can check out our other video, which goes a little bit more in depth. Okay. You can even daisy chain these boxes together back to a master system to create additional input-output capability.
Got it. And just like with an E2 or an S3, I'm not restricted about what cards I use, right? Any card will work.
Correct. You can use Gen 1, Gen 2. You can even go back and use VPU cards, right? So you can add.
What's that buy me?
So that buys you more layers and or more canvas. So it's not just input-output expansion, it's also processing expansion as well. Now, if you do that, there are more rules. Go see our other video again, and we'll explain those rules a little bit better.
Yeah, I would imagine there would be. So EX stands for expansion. Does it also stand for extension?
It certainly does, Chuck. Yeah, absolutely. So not only do we do full expansion, VPUs, input-output, we can do extension. Now, normally people see these 1-meter cables that ship with the box.
Everybody's familiar with those, right?
Yep, totally. But what we do offer is like a 5-meter copper solution. We offer various lengths of both install grade as well as tactical fiber. Okay. If you want to see more detail on those, go see the other video.
With all this amazing functionality that the EX offers, does it need to be connected to an E2 or S3 to operate?
No, actually it doesn't. You can place some input cards and some output cards and use it as a standalone box. You can connect directly to it using a VentMaster toolset like you could any other VentMaster processor, and use it as maybe like a scaling matrix router. You can even link multiples together and use those as scaling matrix router.
Video snake.
Yep, use it as a video snake with the fiber. Absolutely, yeah.
Wow. Well, that sounds great, Vince. How do people get their hands on one?
Well, if you plan to purchase, you can reach out to your Barco Regional Sales Manager, or if you plan to rent,
contact any one of the nationwide video locations in the United States or Canada.
Yeah. All right, Chuck. Well, thank you very much for coming out. I appreciate it.
Me.
Yeah. If you have any other questions, reach out to us at e2@barco.com or
nationwidevideo.com.
That's right.